How to fix SeaMonkey for macOS not uninstalling. Here is a script file to uninstall SeaMonkey for macOS, #bin/bash. Hashtag check if the SeaMonkey application is installed if d/application/SeaMonkey.app, then echo SeaMonkey is not installed on this Mac. Exit 1fi #stop any running instances of the application sudo pkill SeaMonkey #remove the application bundle sudo rmrf/application/SeaMonkey.app #remove the preferences file rmrf/library/preferences/org.mozilla.seamonkey.plist. #remove the application support folder rmrf/library/application/support/SeaMonkey/ #remove the cache folder rmrf/library/caches/SeaMonkey/echo SeaMonkey has been successfully uninstalled. Here are the steps to use this script. 1. Open a text editor such as TextEdit on your Mac. 2. Copy and paste the script into the text editor. 3. Save the file with a .sh file extension. For example, you can name it uninstall_SeaMonkey.sh. 4. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where you saved the script file. 5. Make the script file executable by typing the following command and pressing enter, mod +x uninstall_SeaMonkey.sh. 6. Run the script by typing the following command and pressing enter, /uninstall_SeaMonkey.sh. 7. Enter your administrator password when prompted. 8. The script will stop any running instances of the application, remove the application bundle, preferences file, the application support folder, and the cache folder, and display a message confirming that the uninstallation was successful. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.